Welcome back to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will show you how you can dispute a review which has been left by a guest on your listing or by a host on your profile. Try and do this from a computer because it's not so easy to do this from their phone app. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go over to the top right section. You will see your profile image there. Click on that and then choose account option. And on the accounts page, just scroll down and you will see under support, the first option here is help center. Click on that, and on this page scroll down again and you will see this contact us option here. Click on that and this will take you to the report an issue page. You will see this report a new issue option here at the bottom. Click on that and a new screen opens. This is where you can choose whether it is about a listing or a reservation. So let's say it was a review left by a guest on my property, so I will just choose a reservation option, and then it will ask you whether you want to report this as a guest or as a host of a place, or if you're an experienced host. So I will choose host of a place to stay in this case. And further down, it will suggest you a reservation. If that is the one, you can click on that, or you can just click on no, I need help with a different reservation. And if you have multiple listings like me, you will need to choose the listing first. And now it has fetched all the recent guests I've had on that property. So let's assume this is the guest who left a review which I want to dispute. So click on that. And then it will prompt you to choose how you want to be contacted for this. You can either phone them or you can choose to send a message. If you choose to click call us, they will display their phone number which you can call. So I just chose call us and now it is displaying the number. But if I had chosen the chat option, a chat will start where someone from Airbnb customer support will join the chat, and that is where you can highlight the review and the reason you want to dispute that review. And with that, I hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.